Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I wanted to share a new journal with you that I finished. Nice chunky journal. It's been Mod Podged. The cover has been Mod Podged. Look at all the beautiful rosettes on there. It's mostly a bird themed journal. There's the cardinal on the front. It is a bigger journal. It is 5 by 8, so it's longer than my usual journals. And lots of fluffiness, lots of ruffles. I just am loving the ruffles. So there's a couple of detachable items on the front here. There's a snippet roll here, lace snippet roll with multiple different little laces that you can just take off if you wish and use it for something else. And then another little charm with a wooden button and a little saying that says memory on here. You can also remove this if you want to. Those are both removable. Also, another third item that you can remove from the cover, this is an altered paper clip. I'll show you as we open this up. So you can just take that off if you want. And it's right in here, as you can see. Let me turn this around. So here we are. There's the paper clip. So let's drop right into it. Some lace on the bottom. And the paperclip holds a bookmark and an altered guest check slash receipt book, like a vintage receipt book, which you can use as a notepad. It has some empty spaces here. This is a altered envelope that I will have as an extra little item in here for you with the journal. Then we have a pocket here right off the start here. Lots of goodies in here, lots of good papers to write in, vintage papers, and then a little cute scrappy. Look at this cute little bird themed, lots of laces, a little scrappy blank note pad for you to write in. So that goes in here. Then we have the other side of it. So cute, this seam binding. Moving on to the next page. Lots of laces and lots of layering, collaging. And here's a big notepad, scrappy notepad. It's really long, like 9, I think, inches long. And here we are with seam binding, cute little tags, and little papers in here. This is an altered playing card. We have butterfly, tickets, all kinds of goodies in there for you. I'm not showing everything. There will be some things that go on in here in this tuck spot. I didn't put anything in here because that will be a surprise. So we don't necessarily see everything in this video. And here's a little scrappy, ruffled, adorable ruffled notepad that we have. So I tried to leave as much writing spot as I could. Love this old writing, beautiful. And then here the centerfold is this beautiful vintage Hallmark intricate stationery that I do not have any more of. I'm kind of sad that I ran out of that, but that was it. I used it up. Then we have paper ruffles here, and there's a little lift up, writing spots. I have some little secret spots in here with little notes, messages under them. You can find them if you are the one that will get this journal. Lots of goodies in here. Journaling cards, tags, scrappy note paper, heart, lots of little places to write on. Then we have a lift up here, little message under there. Next page, little note card you can write in. We have a beautiful big birdie, so cute. And another pocket. Look at this cute little owl. Made it into a notepad. And just kind of for you to write in. Lots of cute little tags. another little owl. Can't get enough owls. Notepads in here. Then we have a little secret spot to write on. Beautiful digital stationery there. This is an altered guest check with some sorry silk on the top. And then a pocket here at the back with a long tag. And then we have a big postcard in here. So you didn't see everything, quite everything that goes with it. There will be a little bit of surprises with it, but thank you so much and peace out.